What's the meaning of anachronistic? Anachronistic. 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 Anachronistic.
Anachronistic means something or someone that belongs to a different time period, and therefore seems out of place in the present. It is used to describe something that is old-fashioned or outdated. For example, a rotary phone in today's world is an anachronism. It is no longer practical or useful in our modern society. Similarly, a person who holds outdated beliefs and practices in today's world can also be described as anachronistic. The term emphasizes the difference between the way things used to be and the way they are now.